vehicular accident here, located at Purok 7, Turil, Sirawan, involving 2 motorcycle and 1 victim lying the ground.
What happened here?
General sir.
Checking for scene safety. Looking up, down, side to side. The scene is safe. Buddy, help me, buddy. One, two, three, hold. Checking for pulse. 1, 1,000. 2, 1,000. 3, 1,000. 4, 1,000. 5, 1,000. 6, 1,000. 7, 1,000. 8, 1,000. 9, 1,000. 10, 1,000. Patient, no pulse at breathing. Buddy, I will perform CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 58, 59, 30. 1, 2, 3,
Stop
4,
the
5.
CPR sir. I'm here kasi.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go, we go outside. Miss Perez, tell me what you saw.
I saw the motorcycle traveling along the road. The black motorcycle came from the opposite direction, and the motorcycle tried to avoid but they collided.
Okay. This is the initial or accident report for case number 026 involving a vehicular accident with hit and run that occurred on August 22, 2026 at approximately 3:30 p.m. along Purok 7, Sirawan, Turil. The accident involved a black Honda Click by Justin Benatero. Upon arrival, the responding officer secured the scene, assist the injured victims, documented the motorcycle and physical evidence, and obtained the initial statement of eyewitness with Ivan Klein Perez. The witness reported that the Skygo driver briefly stopped after the collision but subsequently left the scene. The incident was then referred for further investigation.
This is the investigation report for the case number 026-2026. The investigation included the examination and documentation of the accident scene. Photographs were taken of the motorcycle, suspected point of impact, debris, the marks, and surrounding roadway. The eyewitness, Mrs. Ivan Klein Perez, was also interviewed regarding what he observed. The motorcycle was examined and showed visible damage to its front and right side portions. The investigation established that the Skygo was making a turning movement before the collision and that the driver left the scene afterward. A nearby time-lapse was taken by a camera, was also identified, and was a possible source of additional evidence. Further follow-up investigation was conducted.
This follow-up report or progress report of case number 026-2026. During the follow-up investigation, the investigator obtained a time-lapse footage from the witnesses approximately 3:30 on August 22, 2026. Footage shows a black Honda Click turning and entering the motorcycle's path, and they both collide. A partial plate number was obtained from the footage. The vehicle was identified as black Honda Click, registered to Justin Binatero. The additional findings were submitted to preparation of the final investigation.
So the final report investigation. So the investigation established on August 24, 2026 at approximately 3:30 p.m. So a black Honda Click motorcycle and a black Skygo motorcycle collide along Purok 7, Sirawan, Turin. So the evidence shows that the Skygo was making a turn movement to an entire motorcycle path. The investigation considered the eyewitness statement a time-lapse footage of a cell phone device. So the accident scenes photograph debris, tire marks, motorcycle damage, and the Skygo damage. Based on the totality of the evidence, the circumstances of the collision, and the subsequent departure of the Skygo scenes was established. So it recommends that a complete case, records, and supporting evidence be referred to appropriate authority for legal evaluation and determination of applicable charges based on the evidence and applicable law. Investigation completed. Case number 026, 2026.